Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Monday.com boards into Softr apps step by step clearly. Open Monday.com and log into your account. Select the board you want to update. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the board settings. Navigate to the Integrations section found at the top of the board. Search for the Softr integration option in the Integrations Marketplace. Click on the Softr integration to add it to your board. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Monday.com account with your Softr account. Choose the relevant data fields from your Monday.com board that you want to sync. Set the syncing frequency according to your needs. Once you've reviewed the setup, click on Activate to enable the integration. Open your Softr app and log into your account. Go to the data source settings in your Softr app. Choose Monday.com as your data source. Select the specific board you just integrated. Map the fields from your Monday.com board to the corresponding fields in Softr. Save your settings to ensure the mapping is applied. Test the integration by creating a sample record in Monday.com. Check your Softr app to see if the record appears as expected. If everything looks good, you can start using the updated boards in your Softr app. Monitor the integration periodically to ensure it continues to function seamlessly. Make adjustments as necessary based on your project needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.